Sai Jason. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video I'll try to talk about the green tint issue in the iQ7 smartphone. As you can see friends, so recently there's a problem going on with the smartphones with the green tint issue, which has been recently found in the Mi11X device as well. I did plenty of videos on that green tint issue in the Mi11X smartphone, and most of the users right now, they are thinking of buying the iQ7, but they're even afraid of the green tint problem maybe happening in the phone. So right now in my studio I'll try to test my unit as any kind of issues or not with the green tint problem. So same kind of testing process I'll try to do what I implemented in the Mi11X device. So same thing I'll try to do in this phone as well. Let's see whether is there any green tint issue in this particular iQ7 model or not. So in case if you're watching the first time my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button friend, and also do check the playlist for the iQ7. So there you can find plenty of videos which are already uploaded on the day one itself, as you can see. So every day the list will be updated, so make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and don't forget to check the Instagram as well for the camera samples. So right now I'll be able to show you the green tint problem when the complete light is off, so you'll be able to understand it properly. So first we need to use the dark mode. So once you use the dark mode, and if you try to decrease the low brightness to the, I think below 10% or 5%, so if you keep complete low also, you'll be able to feel the difference. So now let me try to quickly turn off the lights. So by saying turn off the lights, you need to completely turn off the lights. So you should keep complete dark, only then you will be able to experience this kind of scenario. So this is a very small scenario where it will be coming only maybe once in a while, this kind of situation you'll be facing. So where you need to use the low brightness mode, and using the low brightness mode doesn't mean you'll be getting only in the gray color backgrounds. Sometimes I'll be seeing in the YouTube as well. I'm not sure you'll be able to see in this particular application at the moment, but sometimes in the YouTube, even if you are using with the 10% brightness or below 10%, if you try to change, you can see the green tint issues which is happening in the iQ7 so sometimes. But in the incoherent mode, so if you try to use the Google Chrome and incoherent mode, the same kind of test which I did in the Mi11X device as well, same kind of incoherent mode test, and I was able to see this kind of green color images. As you can see friends, you can clearly see the green color layout. I just kept the phone over there, you can spot it on the difference. And this is a OnePlus device which I bought side by side. You can see in the OnePlus which is showing exactly the gray colors, but in the iQ7 it's showing green colors. You can clearly see friends, so definitely there is a green tint issue as well. But I'll try to use another application to test the grayscale calibration of this phone as well. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know more details about this green tint problem. So this is a situation friends, and same problem in the Mi11X as well. I'll try to do the side by side comparison, Mi11X versus iQ007, which phone has how much kind of worst green tint issues. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll try to upload the video as soon as possible comparing both phones, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to know. Let me try to turn on the lights and show you the difference, exactly what's happening. As you can see friends, one from the OnePlus device which I'm trying to use right now. So this is a OnePlus 8T I'm trying to use right now for the testing. So let me try to show you when the light is on. So it is a OnePlus device which I'm using right now. So you can get a clear idea what's happening with this phone iQ7 versus the other smartphones in terms of the low brightness situation. That is what I'm going to show you right now friends. When turning off the lights, just observe the incoherent mode. So let me try to decrease the brightness and turn off the studio lights effect. You'll get to know exactly difference what's happening. So 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see friends, these are the both displays. These are their look, OnePlus and this iQ7. So you can clearly see the green tint is happening at the moment in this iQ7, as you can see clearly friends. So green tint problem is there at the moment in iQ7. So clearly you can see. So let me try to check other applications. So this is another application, so YouTube application. I'm not sure whether Google incoherent window is there, but it should be there even in the other smartphones, but in the other smartphones it's not visible. So I started to use another application which is a Screen Test Pro. There you have one option which is called the grayscale test. So this test will give you the clear results. So in this test, the display should be showing only the gray color images, gray colors, that's it, not the green colors. But you can see the green colors as well on the top. As you can see friends, here you can clearly see what's going on green color. You can see the green color where it's happening. as you can see friends. So it's not showing kind of gray. So not only that, there is even other option which is called the screen white balance option. So whenever I tap, I'm seeing the green color is going on. As you can see friends, it should display the slightly grayish color, not the green color. You can see this one I'm talking about. So let me try to quickly turn on the lights. You can see friends, this is the testing which I'm doing when the lights are on and with the normal brightness. So in the normal brightness mode, let me try to show you this one. This is what I'm talking about friends. So there is a small area, this one color which is showing the green color. So actually it was supposed to show this kind of gray color, as you can see. So which is present right now. This is a gray color which I'm talking about. But there's a green tint problem is going on, which is kind of bigger problem than the MI11X device. That is what it is friends. So but I'll try to do the comparison with MI11X device in terms of the green tint issue. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that problem in case if you are interested. But seriously, there's a green tint issue in this phone. That is what I did notice. And previously I did a testing using this one grayscale test, as you can see friends. So here you will be able to see the normal in the lighting condition, and with full brightness you cannot even spot any green color over here. As you can see, you cannot even see the green color. But in the low light situation, and if you use less brightness, only then you will be able to see the green color on the top. So that is what I found out in this phone. So these are the few results which I did friends on this testing in the IQ7, and finally the results are quite shocking. I did not expect to be like this even with my unit. So if you ask me, I'm going to return or not. So I'm not going to return it friends, but I'll try to explain why I'm not going to return in the future. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll definitely do my best in terms of the comparing with the MI11X device regarding this kind of green tint issue, and what's the problem going on with this IQ7 device as well. So stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.